Hi, I know that today we rushed a little bit, so I wanted to go over the last three types of problems in your homework. So for the first one, it said find x-intercepts in unfactored form. And this is where you're going to use Desmos. So you know that to find the x-intercept, you have to set y equal to 0. But maybe you don't know how to solve that yet. So in order to find this, we can use Desmos, DESMOS.com, and it's a graphing calculator. So the question is f of x equals negative 3x to the fourth plus 48. And I can just type it in. And at this point, I can press Shift 6 to make it to the power of 4. Or in order to enter a power, I can write it as negative 3x. And you see this keyboard at the bottom? Oh, that I lost it already? Right there. And you can press the power of, oh, I'm on the wrong one. I can press power of 4. Okay. And so once I have this, I can clearly see the x-intercepts, negative 2, 0, and 2, 0. So if you're afraid of how to enter it, notice that they put it in negative 2 and 2. So maybe if I enter it, x equals negative 2, 2. Oh, it'll automatically put a set notation, which means you don't have to enter it as a point, but rather express your answer as a list of x values. So when I submit, it will be correct. The other type of problem is y-intercepts, which should be easy because you could just replace x with 0. But if you wanted to, you could type this into Desmos. And the last one says finding maximum and minimum values with technology, which means it's assuming that you'll use Desmos. So I can type this out in Desmos. Let me just type it in. Remember, your question may be different from mine. Oh, minus 12. And in this case, it is asking for the maximum value to the nearest hundredth. So I can go here. And because it's asking for a value, it would be the y value. And so this is the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths. So that would be 4.67. And that should do it. So hope this helps. Have a good one.